Best 5 Electric Bike. Are you looking for the? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 5 electric bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 1000W Folding Electric Bike, 48V Large Removable Battery E-Bike, 30 plus mph, 80 miles max range, 20-inch fat tire electric bike for adults, adult electric bicycles for long powerful 1000W peak motor. This adult electric bike features a 7-speed transmission and a high-performance 1000W motor, reaching top speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. The motor provides exceptional power and up to 65 Nm of torque for effortless riding, whether you're commuting through the city, climbing steep hills, or tackling off-road paths with ease. Long-lasting 48V removable battery. Equipped with a high-capacity 48V lithium-ion battery, this e-bike delivers an impressive range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, ensuring long commutes and extended rides without the worry of running out of power. Detachable design allows the battery to be easily removed from the e-bike and charged indoors. Front suspension and hydraulic disc brakes. Experience a smooth and safe ride with the advanced front suspension system that absorbs shocks from bumps and uneven terrain. The hydraulic dual disc brakes provide powerful and precise stopping power in all weather conditions, ensuring maximum safety for every ride. 2.0 fat tires for all-terrain stability. This e-bike is designed to tackle a variety of surfaces, from smooth city streets to rough terrains like gravel and dirt. The durable 20-foot x 3.0 fat tires offer superior grip and stability, ensuring a smooth, controlled ride even on uneven or challenging surfaces. Foldable design and LCD display. The foldable frame makes this e-bike ideal for commuters and those with limited storage space. It folds quickly for easy storage in a car trunk or for carrying on public transportation. Electric bicycle LCD display provides essential information such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and pedal assist mode. Number 2. Gotrax 16-inch folding electric bike, max 28 miles range, pedal assist, and speed 15.5 miles per hour. Power by peak 500W, e-bike with removable battery, suspension and adjustable size, commuter bicycle for adults/teens. Powerful riding performance. Gotrax Nefeli electric bike is powered by 350W brushless motor with max speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Equipped with 16 tires and a 280.8Wh removable battery, it can travel 15.5 miles on pure electric mode with just 5.5 hours of charging. If in pedal assist mode, it can travel up to more than 28 miles. Plus, carry an extra battery for embraced longer travel experiences. Tailored safety and comfort. Gotrax Nefeli e-bike features a height-adjustable seat and adjustable handlebar, allowing for personalized comfort on extended journeys. Enhanced by dual disc brakes and front shock absorbers, it delivers powerful stopping ability, ensuring both safety and comfort. The console and bell contribute to a confident and secure ride across a variety of road conditions. Diverse riding experiences. Explore 3 riding modes for a fulfilling journey. Effortlessly cruise, exercise, or commute seamlessly, we have you covered. Select pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, or ride like a normal bike, tailoring your mode to match the purpose of your journey. Plus, the rear cargo rack can be equipped with a basket for transporting luggage to lighten the load on your backpack. Seize your riding freedom. Immerse yourself in unparalleled convenience with Gotrax Nefeli electric bike. Its foldable design ensures easy storage in your garage or any compact space. Commute, travel, or embark on outdoor adventures, Gotrax Nefeli e-bike effortlessly follows your lead. Savor diverse pleasures on your journeys and enjoy an overall enhanced ride, anytime, anywhere. Easy assembly and after-sales guarantee. The electric bike is easy to assemble, most of the work already done in clear instructions and tools provided. Plus, Gotrax comes with a 365-day part assurance and customer support. If you experience any problems, we will strive to provide you with 100% satisfactory after-sales service. UL certificate with our products. UL 2849 safety certification. Your safety is our priority. Number 3. NAU electric scooter for adults with suspension 600/700W max power, 18/34 miles range, max speed 17.4/18.6 mph, dual brakes, easy folding commuting e-scooter with dual braking, UL certified powerful and efficient performance. The NIU 100P features a robust 300W motor, delivering a top speed of 17.4 miles per hour with a max power output of 600 W, making it ideal for urban commutes and hill climbs up to 15%. The 18-mile range ensures you can cover longer distances on a single charge. From city to off-road with 36mm dual-stroke suspension, the NIU 100P offers exceptional shock absorption capabilities, perfect for varied terrain. Whether rocky trails, cobblestone streets, or off-road paths, NIU 100P ensures a comfortable and controlled ride by minimizing vibrations and bumps. Enhanced riding comfort. The 100P comes equipped with 9.5-foot pneumatic tube tires that offer a smooth and stable ride, effectively absorbing shocks on uneven terrain. Weighing only 38.1 pounds, this scooter is lightweight yet durable, supporting riders up to 265 pounds. Convenient folding design. The 100P features a two-step easy folding mechanism, allowing you to fold and unfold the scooter in seconds. This portable design makes it perfect for commuters who need to carry their scooter on public transport or store it in tight spaces. Dual braking system for safety. Experience safe and reliable braking with the front drum brake and rear regenerative braking system. This combination ensures quick stops and energy recovery, enhancing both safety and efficiency during your ride. Smart connectivity features. Maximize your ride with smart features like Bluetooth connectivity and the NIU app. Customize your speed mode, unlock your scooter remotely, and set battery charge limits all from your smartphone. NIU quality assurance. The 100P is UL certified and comes with NIU's comprehensive 2-year warranty. This ensures peace of mind with reliable after-sales support, covering accessories and consumable parts. Number 4. Electric bike for adults with 1000 W motor, 48 V20Ah removable battery, 26-inch electric bicycle. Fat tire e-bike, 25 miles per hour, 150 miles mountain beach snow e-bike, 7-speed gear. Powerful 1000 W motor. Equipped with a 1000 W high-speed brushless motor, this e-bike provides strong climbing power and stable acceleration. Perfect for uphill rides, mountain trails, snow paths, or daily commutes. Delivers smooth and responsive throttle performance, ideal for riders who need both power and control. 48 V20Ah removable lithium battery. Comes with a large capacity 48 V20Ah lithium battery for extended range. Removable design makes it easy to charge at home, work, or on the go. Charging time, approximately 6 to 8 hours. Offers a range of up to 150 miles, pedal assist mode. 40 to 60 miles, pure electric mode. 26-inch fat tires. Features 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires that provide superior grip and stability on all terrains. Great for mountains, beaches, snow, sand, gravel, and rough roads. Fat tires absorb shock and provide smoother rides even on bumpy terrain. Top speed of 25 miles per hour. Reach up to 25 miles per hour. Number 5. Highboy P7 electric bike for adults with 800 W peak motor, 25 miles per hour max speed, 696 Wh removable battery. A bike, 27.5-inch electric mountain bike with 7-speed and front suspension, 15Ah large capacity battery. With removable 15Ah lithium-ion battery allows you to wait only a little charging time before starting the long journey. Its large capacity also ensures a long range of 37 miles by throt, 68 miles by pedal. The battery is hidden in the frame, with double lock mechanism secured for anti-theft and avoids dropout during furious riding. Removable battery, convenient to bring home or office to recharge. 500 W powerful brushless motor, equipped with 48 V 500 W high-speed brushless motor, providing your e-bike stronger power and climbing up to 20% slope. Max speed, 25 plus mph, by pedal, 21 miles per hour, by throttle. Note, range varies according to road condition, weather, rider's weight, etc. Lockable suspension system, equipped with professional suspension front fork and seat post. Big tire conquer all kinds of rough terrain including snow, beaches, rugged mountain roads, etc. No matter what the terrain is, you will feel less fatigue and enjoy smoother riding. 3 riding modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, classic bike mode. Either it is to explore new trails outdoors, get in some exercise, or rush into work or errands, these adult electric bicycles will always be your most dependable partner. 85% pre-assembled. This electric bike comes 85% pre-assembled. Some simple parts are left for you to enjoy hands-on fun. A video guide is available on the product page.